Let's make broccoli for dinner tonight, y'all. Ooh, that's gonna be good. Hey y'all, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna be making a broccoli bake. I'm gonna show y'all an easy, simple way using what you already have in your pantry to make it quick and tasty, so you don't have to go out and spend a lot of money for weird ingredients, is what I say. So I hope y'all like these videos. I've been trying to make simple, easy recipes using what we have in our pantry to save money. Right now, groceries are so high, it's hard for families to go out and spend a lot. I'm trying to stick to simple, easy recipes that's on a budget, but still good. It's a great side dish to take to any potluck, barbecue, or church event, or even just to have it at night to go with your dinner. It's quick and tasty, and it don't take long. So come on and join us in the kitchen as we share this recipe on how to use broccoli. It's a great side. Here's the ingredients you're gonna need. Black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and some olive oil. 1 cup of breadcrumbs, a half a cup of Parmesan cheese, 3 tablespoons of the French fried dried onions, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Now let me show you how you're going to get this all mixed together. Okay, what we're going to start doing first is we're going to take this olive oil right here. You could use olive oil, avocado oil, whatever you have. And I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of oil. And we'll leave that right there because we may have to add some more. Okay, and now to that, I'm going to go ahead and add my lemon juice. And we're just going to toss that around and get all the broccoli coated with that olive oil and the lemon juice. We want to get it covered good. Seasonings will stick to it, so just give it a good toss. Actually, I'm going to add about 1 more tablespoon. So altogether, I'm using 4 tablespoons of my olive oil. Okay, now we're just going to give that a toss. Okay, and now we'll set that to the side for just a second. And now I'm going to mix up my dry ingredients. We're going to add our breadcrumbs, our Parmesan cheese, and I've sort of crushed these up even a little bit more, these French onions. And we're going to add, let me get my half a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and that's about all I got in there. So we'll just finish that. And then a half a teaspoon of onion powder. And now we're just going to give that a good mix and get all those ingredients blended together. And now once you have that incorporated good, we're going to take and we're going to bring our broccoli back over here. And this is such an easy side dish for any meal, and it don't take no time to put together. we're just going to take and pour our bread mixture in with our broccoli. And now I'm just going to use my hands and I'm going to coat my broccoli with our mixture we just made. And just try to get it well coated on all the pieces of broccoli. Okay. And now I have me a pan that I've lined with foil. You can use foil or parchment paper. And we're just going to take our broccoli and start placing it on this foil. Now this dish right here is good with cauliflower too. But Travis likes broccoli better, so I went with the broccoli instead of cauliflower. And if your kids don't like these vegetables, you doing it this way might even get them to eat their vegetables. And we're not going to waste that mixture with all that ingredients in it, that good stuff. I'm just going to take and sprinkle that over the broccoli. Get it all on there. And now we're going to bake it in the oven on 350 for around 20 minutes or until you check your broccoli and it's like fork tender. We'll stick a knife in it and test it to let you see how it's supposed to look when it's done. But let's get her in the oven. Let's check our broccoli and see what it looks like. Ooh, that's going to be good, y'all. Let me show you with a knife to see if it's done. The way I like to test it is just take my knife and see how easy it'll stick in there, how tender that broccoli is. It's tender, so it's done. And see how I let it get a little brown because I wanted it crispy. Ooh, let me serve us up some and let you see what it looks like. It's still hot, so I'll just get a few pieces from over here just to try it. Now this right here you could even dip in ranch dressing or any kind of dip that you might like on yours. You could even make homemade ranch dressing. Oh y'all, that is so good. If you like broccoli and Parmesan cheese, a hint of lemon, oh, y'all have to try this broccoli bake. It is so good. It's got a little crunch to it. A lot of flavor. So I hope y'all give this broccoli a try. You won't regret it. Okay, y'all, that's our video on another side dish that's quick and easy, tasty, and delicious. It don't take a lot of ingredients, and you can have it done in no time. Let us know what you think. And if you like our video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Like, share, and subscribe down below if you hadn't already. Thanks for watching.